Hey guys, good morning. Today is gonna be a good day. Is your day going well? Well, I hope so. But if not, things are about to change because you clicked on another video from DC Traveler. Hey travel lovers, doing some photography. This is their living room.
मुझे भी एक
The lunch. So I was just telling this man how what a good view of lighthouse. It's 5 in the morning. In about half an hour, Karthik will call me or I'll call Karthik and we are going to go out to the beach. But before we do that, let's do some investigation. Let's look at the room. We have a little piece of furniture here. I don't know what to call it, but you can keep your stuff here. I've kept my laptop, some computer things, a jacket, some clothes. We have 2 beds connected, a flat TV, water bottles, an AC, which we don't need because it's very cool, some nice tile work, an old mirror, and here's, look at this thing, look at the sound, hear the sound. This is the sound from the old fashioned hinges on the door. Look at the hinges. And we have a shower head. No hot water, but I had a bath with cold water and it was refreshing. We have a little window here with a view from the toilet. So that's a little tour of this room that I'm staying in. Now I will freshen up quickly. And by 5:30 we have to go out. I will probably call or text Karthik if his text doesn't come before that. See you outside. Ready to explore Gopalpur on sea. Good morning. Good morning guys. I've got the mask. Okay. Now we will explore Gopalpur. Look at the morning in Gopalpur. Did you sleep well?
Yeah, I had a good sleep.
I slept for a couple of hours only.
Why what? Didn't have good sleep?
Because this was only the second night, so
Yeah.
it takes a couple of nights for me to get used to it. Look at the lighthouse guys. This lighthouse is the identity of Gopalpur. If you search for Gopalpur on Google, you will see invariably the pictures with this lighthouse. So this Gopalpur town is a very touristic place. Many tourists who come to Orissa come to this town, especially to this beach. Time right now is 6 a.m. and the temperature is around 22. It's quite pleasant. Hotel Sea Pearl. This place will open
Yeah.
in some time.
Not sometime.
In the evening. Okay. Wow. The beach is good. I don't see much garbage. In fact, none at all. It's very clean. There are some people already. Do you want to say something about this beach or this place in general?
What to say?
What to say? Say anything. You know better than me.
Yeah, people should visit Gopalpur.
Okay. People should visit Gopalpur.
To enjoy the beach.
Enjoy the peace. You'll have to speak louder. We have to shout when it's noisy. So guys, just look at this beach, and then we will just take a walk and talk to each other, and I'll get back to you if we see something interesting or something interesting happens. Look at this derelict building, guys.
This is a ruin of East India Company, I guess.
The ruin left by the
Yeah.
East India Company.
Yeah.
What was it originally, this structure? You know?
No, I don't remember. Father knows.
Father knows.
What I know is this was a school, government school after independence.
After independence, this was a government school, okay? Guys, Karthik is a local here, so I would trust whatever he says. Guys, do you see the rainbow? I'm not sure if the rainbow will be captured on camera, but there's a rainbow. So is that the place we are going to go for fishing?
Yeah.
So guys, if that plan works out with the fishermen, then that's where I will be going for fishing along with the fishermen. Early in the morning, 4 o'clock they said. And then they'll come back by evening. So a whole day in a fishing boat somewhere far into the sea. Look at the boats. These are the boats that fishermen take with them. Okay. So if I go along with the fishermen, it'll be a boat like this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one is a smaller one without a motor.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, motor has been sold, so big ones.
And these are all fishermen?
Yeah, all fishermen.
They live here only?
No, the boats are here, the houses are inside that way.
Okay.
Those who have gone last evening for fishing, they will reach early in the morning.
Ah,
And
okay.
those who leave early in the morning, they come by afternoon.
So these huts are for storing the fish and
storing the
everything?
nets and all.
Uh-huh. So these are not where they live.
No.
These little huts are where they keep their nets and all the equipment and everything. And we just saw the boats that they take for fishing. I'm really hoping that that plan works out.
Yeah, let's see.
Let's see. That man yesterday sounded indecisive
No, actually thing is now they are not going for fishing for past 3-4 days.
because of cyclone
Yeah,
thing.
the cyclone, they have restrictions.
So the prospects are good next week, right?
Yeah.
Let's see what these men are doing here. Looks like they're fishing, but not sure what it is in those vessels. Fish maybe? Crabs? Yeah, they're fishing. Have they caught anything yet? Not yet. There are fish. Hello. The fishermen are out working early in the morning. Maybe they're back from fishing, or they will go for fishing.
Can go inside and explore.
Yeah. Now let's go in and look at their market.
Your brother's friend.
Your brother's friend.
Yeah.
Okay. Even Karthik doesn't know what they're doing there, so we're going to find out. I think it's a storage of
They
some
got the
kind.
fish.
They got the fish from the sea or the backwaters. यहाँ पे क्या है? मार्केट है क्या?
हाँ, मगर.
यहाँ पे सेल करते हैं. These people have come to buy fish.
No, they got it. Now they got it from sea. They will sell it here.
ओके. आप मच्छी पकड़ते हो? आप लोग हिंदी समझते हो?
हाँ,
आप लोग मच्छी पकड़ के आए हो अभी?
मच्छी पकड़ के आया.
कितने बजे आप जाते हो पकड़ने के लिए?
वो कल गया. 2 दिन
2 दिन था अंदर
अंदर
पानी में.
पानी में.
ओके. तो तो हर बार जाते हो तो 2 दिन जाते हो?
मैं हर बार जाता है तो कल 2 दिन को
तो शाम को जाते हो, सुबह आते हो?
हाँ.
ओके, और फिर ये मार्केट कभी चालू होता है?
वो मार्केट वो 1 महीना हुआ चालू हो।
नहीं नहीं, दिन में कितने बजे स्टार्ट होता है?
वो अभी कितने टाइम के है ना, और रात 10 बजे को बस।
अच्छा, मतलब अभी स्टार्ट हो जाएगा मार्केट।
हाँ हो जाएगा।
So if you are in Gopalpur, you want to buy fish, you know where to come. It's right next to the beach. Let's take some pictures with the fishermen. Doing some photography with the fishermen. And this is another old building. What is this building?
This is a hotel right now.
Right now it's a hotel.
Yeah.
Interesting looking
They had
hotel.
a mural over there.
Acha, wall mural. Okay. So maybe they are going to paint something else.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Look at this hotel, guys. Nameless hotel. If you want to stay in an antique building or hotel, this is the place. There is the lighthouse. This is this nameless hotel. The dog is not happy. That's a garbage van.
Yeah, garbage man.
Wow. So that song that you hear is coming from a garbage van. It's a song about collecting garbage. So garbage van is here. So the song is essentially announcing to people that the garbage man is here in local language. It was Hindi, right?
Yeah, Hindi.
In Hindi, yeah, that's why I understood. Interesting concept.
बात करते नहीं.
गोपालपुर के बारे में कुछ बताएंगे?
क्या बताएं, गोपालपुर तो कुछ नहीं है।
कुछ नहीं है?
क्या है बोलिए?
गोपालपुर कुछ नहीं है?
क्या है बोलिए?
This is, yeah, I've heard this from other people also. People who stay in tourist places.
टूरिस्ट प्लेस में देखिए आते हैं पब्लिक
Hmm.
पब्लिक आते हैं, खाली लॉज में रुकते हैं, समुद्र के किनारे बैठते हैं, चले जाते हैं।
तो-
क्या पार्क है ना, डिस्टम्बर है ना, क्या बैठने के लिए जगह है, घूमने के लिए जगह है, कुछ नहीं है।
Okay, guys. So he is saying in Hindi that यहाँ पे, that here there is nothing to see. Yeah, essentially that's what he's saying. There is nothing here. So people, लोगों को नहीं आना चाहिए.
नहीं, लोगों को आना नहीं चाहिए, नहीं बोल रहे हैं हम। आते हैं या सुबह आते हैं, शाम चले जाते हैं, वो तो है ही है। उसके लिए हम मना नहीं कर रहे हैं।
आप रोज यहाँ देखते हो ना समुंदर, ये
हम तो
इसलिए आपका
हम भी
मन
चले-
भर गया है.
नहीं, हम भी तो चले जाते हैं 7:38 में, हम भी चले जाते हैं ड्यूटी पे, बरमपुर चले जाते हैं। हमारे मिसेज बैठे रहते हैं, हम तो चले जाते हैं, फिर रात के 10 बजे आते हैं।
तो आपके हिसाब से यहाँ पे जो टूरिस्ट आएंगे उनको इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें करने के लिए क्या है?
यहाँ तो इंटरेस्ट
कुछ भी नहीं है।
नहीं है, इंटरेस्ट इसका कोई नहीं है, वही तो हमारा परेशानी है ना।
ओके.
खाली समुद्र किनारे
So,
देखिए
He's
पार्क
saying the government should take initiatives to develop the place.
मतलब कुछ होने से, करने से, कुछ मालूम होने से क्या पब्लिक और भी आएंगे, और भी रुकेंगे, तो हम लोग और 4 पैसे ज़्यादा होगा।
This is the message for the government of this place to develop it in a way that there are more interesting things to do, because the locals themselves disagree that this is an interesting place, which is not a good message to go out through this medium. But yeah, everybody would have their opinion. So government, listen to these men, make this place more interesting so that more and more people come here and their business increases and the economy here develops more.